Hey everybody, JD here again. Welcome back to the channel. I was hoping to do a little bit of work on my NASCAR group build tonight, but I ended up playing around putting the body kit on my chaser. It's not too bad. A little finicky, had to trim a couple places, but it's going to look crazy. Big ducktail spoiler on the back. That took a lot of the evening. I had to trim the back pieces, these little pieces back here. Got a little glue I'm going to have to sand off, but it looks pretty good. I'm going to give it another sanding. Be careful not to break the things off. I'm going to let it dry here. I'm probably not going to mess with it until next weekend. We'll see how it goes. It's look pretty mad. Can't see. Could look pretty cool. This is a fun kit. I like building this. This has been a lot of fun. But so far, that's as far as I got. Those little pieces are fiddly, but it's gonna be looking good. I can guarantee that. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.